I'm Avra Martin. I'm here at ServiceNow, Senior Director, and I lead our Research Operations, Intelligence, and Strategy team as part of our much broader UX research team and experience organization. ServiceNow is an enterprise company that focuses on really enabling the world of work, whether it be through IT technologies, customer service management, HR workflows, anywhere that the world of work works, we work for you. My journey with Great Question, or our journey with Great Question, has been a long one. I think we started talking to Ned about 4 years ago about how to really increase the efficiency of our team. And we finally were able to get Great Question about a year ago. I would say it took us probably about 3 or 4 months to really get up and running. And we've really seen a lot of efficiency gains as our team has adopted the platform over the last 6 months. I started here at ServiceNow about 7 years ago. I was brought here to start our research operations practice from scratch. And when I started, there was only 9 people in our UX research organization. Now we're a team of 165 researchers. I have a 17-person research operations, intelligence, and strategy team. And what's interesting is building a research operations practice from scratch is we were just always solving the problem that was right in front of us. And so we came up with some amazing processes, onboarded some amazing tools, but what worked for a 20-person, 40-person, 60-person, 100-person organization didn't really work and scale for a 165-person organization. So before Great Question, we were using about 15 different research tools to run the end-to-end journey. And we were really looking to bring that to 10 or less, 7 or less. And so one of the things that Great Question enabled is for our researchers to be in less tools, to run their end-to-end research process from early conceptualization, research planning, recruiting their research participants, running their research, doing their data, doing their analysis, incentivizing their participants, creating videos, and doing all of those things in just one place. And so through Great Question, we were actually able to deprecate 3 tools immediately, and I think we have 5 or 7 total on the horizon. I think Great Question has changed the way that we operate in a number of different ways. The way that we had our panel management previously, we had a homegrown solution that only our research operations team could pull lists to then give our researchers. And so now our researchers can actually self-service and do their own recruitment, which really opens up our research operations team to focus on continuing to build our panel of enterprise users instead of doing the day-to-day recruitment. ServiceNow is at the forefront of AI, both externally and the platform that we present to our customers and the way that we think about doing work internally. And so we're really adopting an AI first or AI native mindset. And having Great Question not only makes us more efficient in their just regular capabilities, but a lot of the AI capabilities that are now part of the platform is decreasing our researchers' time to do things like research planning, analysis, synthesis, video creation, etc. Since adding AI technologies across our tooling stack, we've seen major efficiency gains, whether it's research planning, something that used to take, maybe a day or 6 hours can take 2. Things like research analysis and synthesis, which used to take a week, maybe longer, can be done in days. So to keep up with AI and this AI movement, everything is moving faster. And so where we used to be delivering research over 3 6-month periods of time, that research we're delivering now in weeks, maybe a month. So I think it's really required all of us to speed up the cadence of our delivery. Great Question has helped so much in the way that we deliver research and the pace that we deliver research. I think by having everything in one platform and one place, it allows us to drive the end-to-end research project without having to get into different systems to do different parts of the workflow. So before Great Question, it actually used to take us 118 days to recruit research participant, and now it takes us about 6. One of the really powerful things that has happened with Great Question is the integration with Qualtrics and allowing us to set up this study in Great Question while also integrating with Qualtrics to drive the survey and then bring everything back into the platform to close out the study. So one of the main reasons that we went with Great Question now was because we wanted to democratize research for our design team and product content team as well. And so it's research, design, product content are all using Great Question to run their research. We are actually looking to expand that to our PM organization. And so we're in early conversations with our product operations team to see what that would look like. The feedback that we've been receiving is that Great Question is easy for researchers and friends of research alike. And so our design team, with the support of our research enablement team, has been really successful with running research in Great Question. Our customers are everything here at ServiceNow, right? And our research team alone does about 300 studies a year, and we interact with about 10,000 end users. And so the ability to get to those end users very, very quickly and be able to get their insights to drive it directly into product has been an absolute game changer and is allowing us to deliver research at the velocity that we need to in the AI era. The reason we went with Great Question is because of its ability to set guardrails and have governance in the research process. Research quality is incredibly important to us, and so that ability almost alone was the reason that we decided this was the platform for us. The biggest changes that Great Question has made for us at ServiceNow is, one, being able to democratize research across folks who are not maybe researchers by trade, but want to hear customer insights to drive their product decisions. And number two, really making our UX research team more efficient, effective, and honestly, just really more satisfied with their day-to-day work. Great Question has allowed us to make really informed product decisions efficiently, rigorously, and with governance in place. I think unique to ServiceNow is we've been talking to Great Question for about 4 years about the idea of this platform, the vision for the future, and how to make research more efficient and effective and delightful. And to see that vision actually come to life gives us immense trust in the company. And that is the reason we became a customer. And I feel like since becoming a customer, there's just been so much customer centricity and really understanding what we're trying to do to enable the work that we're doing and then delivering on the roadmap that has been shaped by us. And so it's really exciting. I'm super stoked for what's ahead. And I just really appreciate everyone at the Great Question team. I feel like Great Question would be anybody who needs or wants to get customer insights. And so I think one of the things that's really powerful about the Great Question platform is you can either use parts of it or you can use it in its totality. And so it could be great for somebody who really needs a CRM solution, or it could be great for somebody who needs to run end-to-end rigorous research as part of an enterprise, a pharma, any type of company. And so I think Great Question could be a powerful tool for anybody who wants to be a customer-first organization.